Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And if you're watching this, this means one thing and one thing only. We hit 200 subscribers in just a couple of months, which is absolutely fucking incredible. Okay, maybe I shouldn't swear 15 seconds into the video, but yeah, I really appreciate it. I love each and every one of you. You don't know how much this means as some kind of support to me. I didn't even imagine to have 150 or 200 a couple of months ago. I didn't even think this was possible, especially in this short amount of time. I don't know if you do, but do you remember my 100 subscriber special? It was the first ever video in which I used my voice in any kind of video on this channel. This was the first one. And just think about how far I'm thinking about how far I've gotten, both with the quality of my videos and the knowledge about what I'm actually doing in these videos. Just in this about almost exactly 3 months since the 100 subscriber special. The 100 subscriber special was uploaded on the 18th of February 2025. And if you're watching this, I think it's the 15th of May. For your knowledge, I'm recording this on the 14th. So, yeah, I always have to think about a different date since you guys see this video obviously later than I do. But yeah, I'm again really thankful and I appreciate every single one of you. Without you, I simply wouldn't be here. Now, some people might say, Colin Knight, 200 subscribers isn't many. And at first, if I was younger, when I was 15 or 16, when I started with the YouTube gaming clips, which I all deleted by the way, when I started, I thought 200 people weren't even close to what I wanted to have. But as I grew older, I understood the amount of mass 200 people is. Imagine in your room you are right now, are sitting 200 other people next to you, or on the road 200 cars next to yours. So this sheer amount of people is still crazy to me if I just think about it. So yeah. But why am I doing this video? I could have just done any other video and put a text on that said thank you for 200 subscribers. And for sure I could have done it, but I think making a separate video about hitting such milestones is way better than just a text on the screen for 5 seconds. Simply because I want to take this video and show my appreciation to you. By the way, as a small thank you, as you can see, I am unboxing with glue here acetone and stuff of the tutorial I showed you a couple of weeks ago. I am opening my only chase and my only F1 Hot Wheels car I have. So yeah, so you can watch that while you hear me talking all the time. But yeah, now I've lost my point, so great. Another video where I've gone off the tracks and didn't find back. But yeah, I would like to make such videos about even small milestones like 100, 200, 300, 500,000, whatever subscribers, simply because I personally can then at any point later on in the future look back and see how small I started and always appreciate where I come from, because it's simple as that. If you guys didn't subscribe to my channel, I wouldn't have 200 people subscribe to my channel. So yeah, one promise that I'm gonna make is I'm gonna improve a lot in quality of making videos and of the stuff I'm doing in videos. So, and you are always welcome to let me know what you would like to see next. If you would like to see a review on a specific car from any kind of model brand or whatever, a specific gaming title I should test out and rate. So I'm open to everything, but yeah, I actually don't know what to talk about. So yeah. By the way, a little heads up to the next video. The next upcoming video for you in 2 days isn't gonna be another alphabet review part, I think part 4. I finally have to do it and finish the series. So it's gonna be a bit different video because I bought one model car I have from Hot Wheels and Matchbox. I bought this third model from a completely different model brand, which isn't doing 1 in 64 castings as Hot Wheels and Matchbox does it. And I'm personally gonna compare all these three cars. The three cars are exactly the same, by the way, the exact same model. So yeah, I'm gonna compare them, what the difference are to each brand which is producing these model cars, and of course the price. And I'm gonna rate it obviously on the price and not on the quality, the quality differences between the cars, because this car that I've bought has cost me like 16 or 17 euros. The Matchbox has cost me 8 or 9, and the Hot Wheels has me cost €1.50. The Hot Wheels one is a normal mainline, the Matchbox is a collector's edition, and the third one I'm not gonna reveal. You have to watch the other video for that. And if you are already just by listening to this interested in watching this, please subscribe. Thank you. But yeah, one thing I'm gonna promise you as well is that I'm always gonna be honest with my opinions. And for example, with my short documentary I did not long ago, like 1 week, a couple of days, 1 week ago, where I talked about a couple of problems I personally have with the bike collecting can be so annoying yet sometimes. I think this was actually the title of that video. But yeah, and I'm gonna say everything I've said in this video is for me personally 100% true, and I'm gonna stand 100% all the time behind those words I've said, because for me these words were honest and not just because to get 5 more views. So yeah, that's another thing I can promise. I will never do such clickbaity things just to get a couple of views and subscribers more. No, I want you guys to subscribe to me and watch my videos, especially because the quality is good and it's entertaining, and not because I do a clickbaity title. That's not it for me personally. A clickbait title doesn't bring you anything than just maybe hate, but hate is not good. Simple as that. But yeah. By the way, sorry, I'm gonna go off track again. In this video, I'm wearing gloves simply because I have on my left middle finger, and I don't know if you've seen it in the video at any point already, or if you are gonna see it at any point, but I have there a wound, which I have, I don't know how it's called, a band-aid over it, but since I'm using alcohol or acetone stuff and glue and everything in this video, I simply wanted to protect it because it's still open even though there's a band-aid over it. There's still a risk to get it infected, and I simply don't want that, because that would make me, if I have to go to the hospital, I wouldn't simply not be able to make videos. Simple as that. How, I don't know how the hospital would feel if a guy randomly would sit in a room and talk for 1 to 2 hours every 2 days. One time in German, the next time in English, again and again and again. So yeah. yeah, okay, that was probably not very interesting, but yeah. By the way, I'm not opening this chase to make, as I said, I'm not gonna make any clickbaiting titles, and this is exactly for this video the best. Um, it's the best example for me because I'm not opening this chase and the formula car because I want to get 5 more views on this video. I'm doing it because as I have it actually written down in my channel bio, I'm doing one thing which many people and collectors probably wouldn't dare to do. Open rare stuff and look at it with honest um, looks and opinions. And I'm gonna be honest, I already wanted the Formula 1 car. I already wanted to open it when I got it, like a couple of days ago for you, like 4 or 5 days ago, I think. No, it was Saturday. Sunday came the video. Tomorrow is gonna be Thursday for you. So 4 days ago. Sorry. 4 days ago for you. I found the Formula car. So and I already wanted to open it in the store. But yeah. I said, hey, you're close to 200, so maybe because you need to do something while talking, um just show it how you open it carefully. Carefully. Yes, whatever. And the chase I already wanted to open since I had it. And I'm gonna say it again, I don't simply care about how much these cars are worth. They can be worth 5 euros, 25 euros, 250 euros, 2000 euros, and I would still probably open it. Because once it's in my collection, it's not leaving my collection. And if it's in the collection, it doesn't matter which worth or price tag it has. Because it's not leaving anyway. So yeah, I'm not caring how much anyone would pay for it. But yeah. So please no rage comments in the please no rage comments down in the comment section below because I opened it. I mean, you can rage a bit. I'm even still open for it, but I don't move. I will not budge with my opinions. I said what I said, and I'm gonna stand for it. I open it because it's nothing worth to me except emotional worth. I don't know if you say it like that in English. I hope. I hope this all actually makes sense to you. Please let me know in the comments if this makes sense to you at all. So yeah, I'm sorry that I have so many longer breaks between talking in this video. I'm just always thinking back to the start. To remind you, when I started, I like had 60 or 70 subscribers. I don't even know how I got them. Probably from my gaming clips back then in 2016 to 2020. No, not 2016, sorry. To 2020 to 2023 or 2024. I don't know when I started or stopped. So, yeah. I'm thinking back at that point, and now I'm comparing right now to it. Now I know guys like George and BFD Drive. I think BFD Drives. I'm sorry. These two guys, especially George, is for me a really cool guy because it doesn't matter if he makes a short or a long form video. Both of these types of videos from him are fully packed with the history about the model which he's doing. For shorts, for example, his latest, I think it was the first edition Volkswagen drag bus. So yeah, now is already the video over. It's a black screen for me already. So I guess it's time to wrap this up. Thank you for subscribing. If you didn't, please do now. And let's see where this journey is gonna get us one day. I promise to keep making videos, to improve in making videos, and obviously improve with my voice and stuff, because sometimes I'm shaky and my voice is shaky, so it's really hard to listen to it. So yeah, but that's things that I'm gonna improve over time. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you for subscribing. Hell, I can't even speak right now. Thank you for subscribing, and now have a great day. We see each other in a couple of days in a new video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Bye bye.